Hello, I'm Linda.
Hi, my name is Johnny.
Hi, I'm Isabella.
Hey, my name is Alex. And together we worked on a strategy on how to make Tatra attractive to the younger generation. But first we had to get to know Tatra.
Tatra has a long-standing history, being founded in 1850.
The company operates successfully in the areas of defense, firefighting, construction, mining, utilities, and agriculture.
After getting to know the company, it was important for us to develop a strategy of how we should continue in order to be successful with the project.
We had interviews with dealers of Tatra who explained their marketing strategy, especially for the Austrian market.
Furthermore, we developed a sophisticated survey tailored to the needs of the younger generation in order to understand them most.
We had bi-weekly consultations with our coach Kamil from Tatra, which helped us to get the most out of this project. Kamil, what do you think about our cooperation?
Hello, my name is Kamil and I'm the marketing director of Tatra Trucks. I enjoy the project very much. Students have been participating actively throughout the project and they have genuinely been interested in how to develop our business even further. I can strongly recommend all companies to participate in CEMS program.
These are our opinions concerning the business project.
Since I only had previous experience from B2C marketing, it was very interesting to better understand the process behind business-to-business marketing.
I enjoyed having the outside look to the company, while at the same time diving deeper into the industry, Tatra Trucks, and its business environment with every meeting and all the insightful information that Kamil shared with us.
I especially like the progress that we each, my colleagues and I, went through. At the beginning, we were not sure which steps to take. Over time, however, we were able to successfully solve the problem.
What I really liked most about the business project was to work in an international team. I think this experience really will help me for my future work, as I would like to work in a multinational company.